Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm back with another content on how to change your TikTok password. If you'd like to keep your TikTok account more secure, then it's a great idea to change your password now and then. If you want to learn how, then you'll need to keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Tap Open your TikTok application to begin. Make sure you're logged into your TikTok account. Once you are, from the For You page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. You'll end up in your profile page for TikTok, which looks like this. In order to change your TikTok password, go to the hamburger menu at the top right hand corner. Once you do that, you'll end up in the Settings and Privacy tab. Tap on Manage Account. Right under Account Information, you'll be able to see a password option. Tap it on. And now, a 6-digit code has been sent to your mobile number. Simply type in the code that has been sent and you'll get to choose a new password on the next page. Type in the new password that you'd like to change to. While creating a password for yourself, make sure that your password is at least 8 characters to 20 characters long. You'll need to include letters, numbers, and special characters on your password. After you're done changing the password to something else, tap on the next button. Soon after you do that, your password will be changed to something else. That is how you'll be able to keep your account more secure by changing your password now and then. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.